Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to take screenshot in iPhone. Screenshots are useful for a variety of purposes. They allow you to quickly capture and share important information such as messages, articles, social media posts, and many more. They also serve as effective documentation tools, allowing you to keep records of important conversations, confirmations, or transactions for future reference. Now, taking a screenshot on iPhone is a very simple step. All you need to do is press and hold the side button at the right side and hold the volume up button at the left side at the same time. Now quickly release both buttons. And now you'll see a thumbnail of your screenshot appear in the lower left corner. Tap it to edit or share or swipe left to dismiss it. Now here you can either edit your screenshot, or if it doesn't need any edit, then you can simply tap on done at the top left. You will be seeing various options. Now you can simply save to photos. And now you can see that the screenshot you took will be saved in your album. And this is how you can take screenshot in iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.